And I'm not really feeling my lipstick, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit tonight.
Deal sounds.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and join the Boss Babe family. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So I'm super excited today to share with you guys my very first Vox Box. If you don't know what that is, it's through an app called INFLUENSTER. And on this app, you pretty much get to review different products that you've tried, ask questions, just pretty much network with a bunch of like-minded people. They also send you short surveys in your email, and all you have to do is answer those quick surveys, and if you're chosen to do the campaign, they will send you a free product to review. Absolutely free. You don't have to pay shipping, handling, any of that. They just simply send it to you. So all you have to do is put your information in and get started. I will drop a link in the description box below in case you're interested in joining the app and getting started yourself. It's super simple and I think you will love it. So my very first Vox Box that I did receive was the Pampers Splashers swim diapers. I was so excited because we were actually planning a beach day and I checked my email and saw that I was actually chosen to do this campaign. So I was super excited. I never really tried any swim diapers at all with my son, and he's about to be 6 on Saturday. So I was super excited for Kylie to be able to try these. And she did try them out about 2 days ago, and I loved them. They were super absorbent. They weren't super saggy when she had them on after it was wet, and I had no complaints. They came in a pack of 20. We got the smallest size, so they look like this. And like I said, there's 20 of them. These go from 13 to 24 pounds. And to be small, I thought they were pretty long, so I was intimidated by that, but it doesn't make really that big of a difference once it's on. So it fit really nice. You have a cute little sun design on them. And like I said, yeah, I was super excited to try them. I was super excited to get my first Vox Box. And hopefully I'll be getting more soon. But it does come in this box. Like you said, it does have INFLUENSTER on the side, splashers. It comes in like this exact box. It has like the shipping label on the front. I'll hide my address. But yeah, it comes exactly like this. Since I am talking about INFLUENSTER and the Vox Boxes, I will go into detail a little bit about how it all works. So basically it's this app. And like I said, you get to network. You get to review different products that you've tried. Review, rate products. You can ask beauty questions or any type of questions you may have. Everyone is so helpful. The community is so nice. I've never got any negative hate or any of that stuff. It's just a nice positive place where you can just connect with other beauty influencers or just people who love makeup, period. They send you surveys in your email and you can answer these surveys honestly or however you feel. All you have to do is answer the surveys, and then if they decide that you fit the campaign, they will go ahead and send you the free product to review. And then all you simply have to do is just talk about it, just share with it on social media. We're all on social media anyways, so just like takes 2 seconds just to simply write out a review and give your honest opinion about it, whether you like it, hate it or not. It does not matter. They just want your honest review, and then they will pick you for more campaigns. So I thought that was pretty cool and fun because who doesn't like to receive free products? So I thought that was really nice. So like I said, I will drop a link in the description box below in case anyone is interested in signing up and getting started yourself. It's a really nice program. There's great things from barbecue sauce to diapers to high-end makeup. You think of it, you name it. There's some people who get full-blown beauty products like flat irons, like expensive flat irons, blow dryers, all of that. They want honest reviews for these products, so they're sending them out completely free. Yeah, you guys, just want to quickly hop on and share with you guys my first Vox Box. I was so excited to get it, and I'm looking forward to getting more. I'm really loving my makeup tonight. I tried a couple new products. I had a friend of mine who I actually met through social media, never met in real life, but she's so sweet and we hit it off instantly. She saw that I was into makeup and beauty and stuff, and she wanted to send me just like a cute little care package of some things to keep me inspired and motivated to create. And she hooked me up with like this little NYX pencil. I'm pretty sure you'll see it featured in a future video because I actually love my brows tonight. And that's what I used on my brows and to line my eyes. And I actually tried out like this, it's not, I don't even think it has a brand name, of eyelashes on Amazon, and I love them. So that's these. And I'm not really feeling my lipstick, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit tonight. Yeah, I threw this look together and I'm loving it. I'm mad I have to just go ahead and wash it off, but the joys of film life. So yeah, you guys, thanks for tuning in. That's all I got for you guys today. I will be dropping some more bangers this week, of course. If you like this video, make sure you get a big fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.